Hey everybody, Tactical here, and today I was going to show you how to auto match all your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this can be helpful because we've all made recordings where in one clip we may sound quieter than the other, so this just makes it consistent across the board. Yes, what you're going to do, you're going to open the project that you want to auto match all the dialogue with. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to highlight your entire timeline just like that. And then you're going to go up to Essential Sound, click that. And then next you click on the dialogue button. And then you click on the loudness. And then you click auto match. And it might take a few seconds. All right, then it'll tell you exactly what it auto matched all the audio to. And then the way you can usually tell is see how it has those green FX markers there. And that way you know that it matched everything, and also you can tell because all the wavelengths are pretty much the same. There's not too many dips and valleys, and that's really useful too because not every recording you have you're gonna be sounding the exact same. So I hope that video helped, and please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.